Oh, welcome back, my friends, for another quick little unboxing here. What do we have from Patmarlins? Wow, guess who that is? Well, let's check this bad boy out. Unfortunately, our postal service put a little ding on it here, but this is as far as I've opened it thus far. Here we have our ejector ram. It's used to kick off the gas check after it comes off the little ram, so you have to get that specific to your press. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up and see what we have in here. Okay. Yep, here's your little ejector ram. Patmarlins Checkmaker, gas check forming dies, 30 caliber. I started with 30 caliber because obviously, you know, 300 blackout, 308, so on and so forth. So that's my first one. Eventually we'll go for, you know, a 35 or a 45, maybe even a 22. That's probably the most useful, actually, would be a 22, sending them little pits and hot smokers. But anyways, we started with the 30 caliber, and they have since actually increased their pricing. So they now cost $119 as of Friday the 15th of July, 2022. They're now $119, but I put my order in when they were $109, I think, so yippee-doo. Anyways, let's check out the die itself. All right, what do we say here? Does have to be aligned carefully before cutting discs. Make sure you rotate both lower female die and upper die housing in your press so the male cutter smoothly clears the internal cutter without hitting or binding. Tighten your die nut, then recheck. Repeat if necessary. Then proceed to cut discs. Do not use 9 to 12 thousandths aluminum roof flashing. This box store material is way too hard to form good gas checks. We will not warrant dies using this aluminum. Check patmarlins.com for info on metals. So yeah, I saw that warning on the website. You have to get specific flashing that's thicker and not like the mass-produced stuff, I guess you'll find at most of your big box Lowe's or Home Depots or whatnot. So I gotta go hunting at the hardware store for something that'll work. I guess I have to take my calipers with me and measure them. I don't know. That should be interesting. More literature here. And here we have the instructions, and that's the URL you can find the PDF at. I've got it on my phone, but I'm using my phone to record, so let's see what this says. Thread the upper 7/8 by 14 female disc cutting house into your press with enough threads on top to get a nut on. Ooh, get the nut on or get the nut off? Yeah. Carefully raise the male die up into the female housing and check for alignment. If the male die does not clear the internal female cutter die, rotate threaded housing to correct, then tighten the nut, recheck. May need to rotate male die. Also make sure the housing set screw is backed out of the way. Snug tight is fine. Patmarlins, specialty products for casting and reloading. Patmarlins.com. Okay, that's all the literature. Let's finally get to the die here. Ooh. All right, this looks very nice, and I have no idea how to use it. I guess I have to find a proper Allen key here. Anyways, you turn it in one direction, you punch it out of a strip of your aluminum, and then you turn it over the other way, and this will form the proper diameter with the cup to actually form the gas check. So it is a two-step design. Yeah, this is where you feed your aluminum through, or copper. Aluminum's just cheaper, so that's probably going to be the preferred method, but you cut out strips the width of this to slide through here, and you punch them out with this. Once you're done cutting out all of those little discs, you're going to turn this over in your press, and then you punch it to the proper diameter by pushing the discs through it. But this is very finely machined, looks very nice. So that's going to do it for now. This was just a quick look at the Patmarlins Checkmaker 30 caliber die here. So I'm super excited to have this. I had it on back order for, I believe, 4 to 5 months before I got shipping confirmation, and I actually moved, so I had to email them with my new address. He just said I need to know the order number and the name, and you know, we did all that, and that was no problem. It came to my new address just fine. So thanks again, super great customer service. And I'm pretty sure it's just a single guy working out of his house or his own little shop, so I can see why they're backed up. Super high demand, great product. Can't wait to use it. So anyways, if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can see when we actually start using these bad boys. You can also support us over on patreon.com/dummyround. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We will see you in the next video. Have a good one.